Welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions biology 2018. Question number 32. The hormones secreted at IV serve to A. facilitate the development of facial hairs, B. raise the level of calcium ions in the blood, C. lower blood glucose level, D. make body react to emergencies. Now, for us to understand this, we need to know about the endocrine system. We need to know about the endocrine system, which is actually the system that controls the hormones. And in the endocrine system, we know about the pituitary gland that is located around here, pituitary gland or the pineal gland, both of them located around here. Then here we have the thyroid gland, that is what is located in 2. This is in 1. Then in 3 we know the adrenal gland. We know that this is the adrenal gland and is having the pancreatic hormones and the rest of them. But here is where we have the testes for male, which is also where we have the testosterone. And this testosterone helps in secreting the sexual hormones. And the other thing that it does is that it facilitates the development of facial hairs. That's the second thing it does. So you have actually the testosterone here, and one of the function is to facilitate the development of facial hairs, especially in males, which is where we have the testes. So that makes option A the correct answer to this problem. Thank you.